canning some pears. There's some of the pears my wife's done so far. We've probably got like 40 something quarts, you know, and that's probably do us for a year. But right now I'm going to make some kimchi, kind of my own version of it. I don't have all this proper stuff. I just use regular radishes. I got carrots in there. We got green peppers. I got jalapeno peppers, onions. I was getting ready to put a, that's 1 clove of elephant garlic. I'm going to throw that in. But we've been on that keto diet, and I've been eating, you know, using a lot of that erythitol. And that stuff it kills the enzymes in your stomach. And I've been having a lot of stomach problems. So the other day I went and bought some of this stuff. It's called Wild Born Probiotic Live Shots. And it's basically just kimchi juice. And man, it helped me out quite a bit. So I decided to make our own kimchi. Or, you know, just any kind of fermentation of vegetables. You know, wild, just sauerkraut, you know. But you can't hardly buy it live from the store. All the probiotics are cooked in it or dead or whatever they do to it, radiate it. But, you know, and I'm not crazy about sauerkraut. I like kimchi a little bit better because it's got all the hot stuff in it and all the garlic and all that. So, and I've got a cabbage cooked up, just a regular head of cabbage. And so, oh, and I got a parsnip. I'm going to try a parsnip in it. Because they got a little bit of a sweet taste to it. Kind of a spicy. Oh, I got a little, about a thumb-sized piece of ginger too. So we'll get it. I want to show you how I do. I ain't gonna put the peel in there. I didn't wash it or anything. But here's how I like to do the strips. I gotta get my peels out of here. Oh, and the top off that parsnip's starting to sprout. So I may plant that and see what happens. Okay. That's how I like to. That's the way I did my carrots and parsnips. Stuff, just having little strips in there. Okay, as soon as I get this all cut up, we'll mix it up and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we get everything chopped up, ready to go. So this bowl's kind of small, so I'm going to add everything to this bowl here. Now add all these veggies, all the carrots, peppers and onions and radishes. Okay, and to that I'm going to add some of this pink Himalayan salt, about 1/4 cup. I'm not too worried about the salt content because I probably just eat a little bit every day. So, and I don't have fish sauce. Calls for fish sauce. I'm just going to add a little soy sauce. I may get some fish sauce and put in it later. But just a few squirts of this. Just for a little bit of flavoring. And sriracha. I love sriracha. Okay. And then the probiotics. So I've been, see how much I got here, just out of curiosity. And this isn't necessary. It's I'm gonna put a quarter cup in. It just gives it a, it'll get its bacteria on its own, but just put that in there, and we're gonna put it in this jar when we're done. But I'm just gonna mix it up. Smells good, even raw. Okay. Now I'm going to try to stick it in. Mix it a little bit more. Them carrots mixed in good. Okay. Oops. Somebody's real good at this. If you ever watch Doug and Stacy Off Grid, they're always making probiotic. Alright, when I get this stuffed, we'll get back with you. Okay, I'm just pushing it down in there as best I can. And you don't really need no juice. There's a little bit in here. But it'll make its own juice. So just give it a few days to fermentate, and we'll have some probiotics. And that keeps the stomach in order. That's the problem with a lot of people. They don't have enough probiotics. And this is a good way to also preserve your food, because this will, if I keep it in a cool, dark place, it'll keep for about 6 months this way. Or keep it in the fridge. It'll keep about 6 months. And I need to get a cabbage leaf or something to put on top of this too. I got another cabbage. We're going to have cooked cabbage. I'll put that in there probably tomorrow. So that's pretty tight. Actually, a crock would be better. Something with a straight open top. For one, it'd be easier to stuff in there, and then two, you could put a saucer or something with, you know, even a clean rock or something heavy to hold on top of it. And let me get the last little bit of juice out of there, and maybe a dash of sriracha. Okay. We got it all finished up, and there's going to be some spicy stuff, because I tasted it, and I think it's just the right amount of hot for me. I don't know about my wife, but that's the way I like it. You know, give us some good probiotics and be some healthy food. Keep the stomach in shape. So, I guess if you like the kind of things I'm doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll be back with the, oh, and we got the video coming up right after this one of making the pear cider with my cider press, so be sure you don't miss that one. Alright, and so I guess that's probably about it. So we'll see you around YouTube.